So what is your name and your company?
My name is Mac Devine. I work for IBM. I'm a distinguished engineer. I'm the director and CTO of our Smart Cloud brand inside of Global Technology Services.
Great. Thanks, Mac. Thanks for giving the great presentation you just did. Are enterprises slow to adopt cloud computing, and if so, why?
Yeah, so it depends on the enterprise, the industry. There's a lot of factors. In general, we see a lot of enterprises looking to adopt cloud computing at the line of business, departmental level, projects that maybe wouldn't have met the priority of their IT department to respond to before, being able to give some autonomy to the line of business, the development organizations in those line of business to do things in a more agile way, in a more autonomous fashion. That's where we see a lot of customers doing some very interesting things. One of the things that's driving that is mobile. Okay. Doing things for mobile users, being able to get to any service, anytime, anywhere, on any device is really driving customers to do more and more around cloud computing. So there's this nice linkage between the explosion of mobile and cloud.
Great. Thanks, Mac. And you did a great case study of the City of Honolulu.
Right.
Could you summarize that case study as an example of enterprises adopting cloud computing?
Yeah, so the City and County of Honolulu, they had a change of administration. The new administration, the new mayor wanted it to be completely open and transparent to the citizens, to let them to get to data that before was very difficult for them to get to in a very self-service manner. Their IT services weren't very conducive to that kind of open transparency. Their data really wasn't accessible in that manner. And they wanted to be able to have kind of this app store kind of experience, so the citizens could come in and even build apps that then are available to other citizens of Honolulu. And so they worked with IBM Global Business Solutions consulting engagement to set up a process of how they could change some of their kind of more static waterfall type of development processes to more agile, dynamic processes, both at the IT services layer and at the application development. And they went from being kind of backwards, if you will, in terms of their digital capabilities to being named the top digital city in the U.S.
Excellent. That was a good case study. What is your advice to enterprises looking to speed up cloud adoption?
So one of the main mistakes I've seen enterprise customers make is they start at the wrong place, or they get paralysis of analysis. Okay. They never start because they can't figure out what they want to do. So I recommend that customers do kind of the Nike approach. Just do it. They pick a project that is fairly low risk, maybe something that they with traditional means wouldn't have gotten to. They look at doing things in new and different ways. I think in the case of the City of Honolulu, I talked quite a bit about the cloud sourcing, being able to reach beyond your existing development teams through utilizing some partner like we have, which is Topcoder, that taps into the broader development community. So those kinds of things I think significantly will speed up the adoption, because you learn more by doing. Once you do a project, you learn more from that project that you can then incorporate into the next project. So.
Great, good. Thank you. One last question. Can you briefly talk about the solution that City of Honolulu is using? What is the background and of what IBM is doing with that solution?
Yeah, so on our IBM Smart Cloud brand, we have our public cloud that is what we call Smart Cloud Enterprise. In that, we have a solution that's called Cloud Places, which is a collaborative development environment based off the Rational Jazz platform. It also has a mobile extension with our new WorkLight mobile application development platform. And that's also Cloud Places. We partnered with Topcoder, as I said before. And in the case of the City of Honolulu, it was a hybrid cloud type of an approach. Some things they did behind their firewall on-prem, other things they did in the fully collaborative fashion on the IBM Smart Cloud.
Great. Thanks, Mac. Thanks for your time and presenting.
Thanks,
Bye-bye.